All right, team, let's assess the structural integrity of the jaw mechanism.
Copy that, boss.
Checking the bracing here. Looks stable enough to approach. The ears are shot. This weathered armor looks unstable. And those eyes, it's in bad shape, but fixable. The primary focus here is on the structural integrity near the cabin's head.
Copy that.
Visual confirmation of damage to the intake. Analyze the stress points here. Pay attention to the corrosion on the main gear.
Yes, leader.
Readings are clear.
The chassis is badly compromised. Let's begin assessing the damage here.
The primary bent member is here. We'll need a reinforced sleeve.
And the hydraulics are fused solid.
Yes, this corrosion is extensive. Document it all. Analyze the cargo panels, specifically the corrosion.
Damage to the seams is extensive.
Focus on the upper compartments. Supports look weak. All right, team, secure the chains around the axle.
Copy that, boss. Chain's going on now.
Winch is set. Ready on your mark.
All right, tension is holding. Keep it steady. Copy that. Moving slow.
All right, team, positioning is correct. Keep it moving.
Understood, leader.
Stop here. Let's begin the initial assessment.
Secure the chocks tight against the wheels.
On it, boss.
Place the heavy supports under the front axle.
Supports are in place.
Begin lowering the lifting gear, slow and steady.
Keep the pressure steady on the rim. Got it. Check the corrosion on the spokes. Looks much better already. Keep the angle consistent on the welds. We need to reach the structural steel without pitting the mounts.
Understood. Focusing on the joint.
Annotate the extent of the damage on the cab and cargo boxes.
Notes are complete, ma'am.
Excellent. Let's proceed with repairs. This is it, the Husky. Still a lot of damage, but we've got a baseline now. We'll start with the chassis and work our way up. This beast is gonna roll again. Secure the jaw points first. Ensure maximum tension. Keep it steady. Character B, secure that line.
Roger, boss.
Character C, electrical check. Done. Proceeding to mounts.
Keep it steady, guys.
Slow and steady. Watch the clearance.
That's it. Bring it down easy.
Hooks engaged. Checks. Secure the ports. Securing ports. Ready. Begin extraction. Slow and steady.
All right, team, let's start with the top covers. Affirmative. Check the filter next. Got it.
All right. Slowly now.
Oh.
Watch the mount points.
Looks pretty bad in there.
Yeah, worse than I thought. Think we can fix it? Time for a deep clean. Let the chemicals do their magic. Keep focusing on the cylinder housing and the coolant lines.
Understood.
We need this bracket spotless before the next shift. Keep a sharp eye out for micro fractures in the piston heads.
This one's cracked. I'll grab a new one.
Good. And make sure the gears are calibrated exactly. The rust is breaking down rapidly. Excellent. Adjust the glow intensity to maximum. Affirmative. It's working perfectly.
All right, align the housing carefully.
Housing is in place.
Torque to spec, now.
Tightening now.
The front hydraulics are good to go.
Moving on to the secondary axles now.
Check those mounting brackets carefully.
Excellent work. The structural integrity is restored. Confirmed, the welds are solid.
The thermal signatures are within spec. Begin primary incision. Cutting. Maintaining pressure. Verified. Proceed to extraction. Extraction complete. Preparing for replacement.
Looks like everything is solid.
Running the diagnostics now. Looks good. Ready for the final confirmation?
Verified. Bring her online. Check. Test protocol engaged. Excellent performance. It's ready.
The front three are off and being prepped.
Suspension connections look good on the middle axles.
Ready to lower the first refurbished wheel into place.
All right, team, let's start with the lower jaw.
Copy that. Proceeding with torch.
Watch the structural integrity.
Almost there. Secure the frame.
Tightening now.
Perfect. Ready for the test. All right, torque down the last one.
Alignment looks perfect, boss.
Initiating jaw diagnostic test. Opening, closing, fully functional. Keep welding the mandible plates. Plates are secured. Moving to the cheek armor now. Check the heat on the forehead seals.
The upholstery looks perfect. And the floor is solid. Excellent work, team. Ready to go.
Hold on. Just one wire left under the dash. Got it. Connecting now.
Check the steering.
Looks good. Nicely done.
Secure that windshield brace.
Checking door mechanisms. Tighten the structural panel at mounting point C3.
All right, this section is clean.
Copy. Initiating corrosion repair here.
The calibration is off on that pressure gauge.
Got it. The recalibrated one is here.
Perfect. Install it and double check the connection. Panels are secure. Moving to the next section. Nice work. These will hold. All right, crew, focus on the stress points on this section. Copy that. Moving in with the torch now. Carefully avoid the support beams. Got it. Excellent work on that beam.
Thank you, boss.
Now, secure this floor panel, and let's get the sealant applied here.
The beast is awake. Let's install the optics.
The primer looks smooth, but let's double check the jaw components.
Okay, inspecting now. Need to make sure the teeth are fully covered.
Excellent work, team. It's perfect. Ready for launch, ma'am. She's a beauty. All right, slowly now. Keep it steady. To the right a few degrees. Perfect. Bring it down. Down. Easy. Hold it. All right, contact. Good work, team.
The fuel lines are secure and the hydraulics are holding. Initiate system check.
Checking all parameters now.
All green on my end, boss. Excellent. Let's fire her up. Keep working. Secure those hydraulic components.
Looks good, boss. Axles are tight.
Excellent, gentlemen. Final assembly is complete. All right, slowly does it. Right there. Easy. Yes. Locked in. Perfect fit.
Test the suspension. Good. Now the hydraulics. Verified. Check braking. Affirmative. Systems are green.
All right, here goes nothing. Engaging sequence now.
Wow, it's alive.
Incredible. Job well done. All right, slowly lower the cab. Almost there.
Tighten the mounts. Wiring connection secure. Hydraulics next.
All clear.
The polishing looks excellent. Now, the final adjustments.
Yes, leader.
She's perfect. The eyes are just incredible.
Worth every moment.